Hey there, pancake lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious, fluffy pancakes in under 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. These pancakes are super easy to make and perfect for a quick breakfast or even a midnight snack. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by mixing all your dry ingredients in a large bowl. That's your flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick whisk to make sure everything is well combined. In another bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. That's the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Make sure the butter isn't too hot, just warm enough to mix easily. Now pour your wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Gently stir everything together. Don't overmix, just stir until everything is combined. You want your batter to be a little lumpy. That's how you get soft, fluffy pancakes. Next, heat up your non-stick pan over medium heat. You can add a little bit of butter or oil to the pan to prevent sticking. Just let it melt and get nice and hot. Once the pan is hot, take a ladle or measuring cup and pour your pancake batter onto the pan. Aim for about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. You should see bubbles start to form on the surface after about 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the edges of the pancake start to look set, and you see bubbles on top, it's time to flip. Grab a spatula, give it a quick flip, and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side until golden brown. Now for the fun part, serving. Stack your pancakes high on a plate and top them with whatever you like. I'm going with a classic drizzle of maple syrup, some fresh berries, and a dusting of powdered sugar. But you can get creative. Chocolate chips, whipped cream, or even a scoop of ice cream. The options are endless. And there you have it. Perfect pancakes in under 10 minutes. Fluffy, golden, and absolutely delicious. So easy to make, you'll be enjoying breakfast in no time. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another tasty treat.